made this beat?
Yeah, stop playing with me. Stop playing with me, nigga. Stop playing. Stop motherfucking playing. Stop playing with me. Stop playing, little bitch. Stop playing. Stop motherfucking playing. Stop playing with me. Stop playing, fuck nigga. Stop playing. Stop motherfucking playing. Stop playing. Stop playing. Stop playing, stop playing, yeah.
I enter the challenge to give it balance. Please, moment of silence. Niggas looking like they know me, boy. I used to be out there wildin'. And I might have fucked your bitch, and if I did it in silence. Every time she see me, super wet at Venture Island. I pull up on the block and leave it wet, nigga, don't try me. If you really got some tech, then nigga, you know where to find me. If you don't, I drop the addy, pull up and let you have it. That bag, I gotta grab it by any means it's habit. Stop playing with me and listen. These niggas suspicious, talk way more than bitches, and most of them snitches. Envy of riches is most niggas' downfall. Chasing these bitches, niggas don't last long. Shit, they be spitting just like the last song. Before this quarantine shit, I been had the mask on, and now I kick a nigga dough down. And if the crackers run up on me, then it's a showdown.
Yeah, stop playing with me. Stop playing with me.